Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Markov chain. So what is Markov chain? It is a stochastic process containing random variables transitioning from one state to another depending on certain assumptions and probabilistic rules. So the random variables transition from one state to another is based on the very important mathematical property called Markov property. So first we need to learn about what is Markov property. Markov property states that the calculated probability of a random process transitioning to next possible state is only dependent on the current state and the time, and it is independent of the series of states that preceded it. So we develop a transition matrix in order to do the Markov chain. Square matrix used to describe the transition of a Markov chain. Each of its entries is a non-negative real number representing a probability. It is also called probability matrix, substitution matrix, and it is somewhat like this image. So where is Markov chain application? So what are Markov chain applications? It is basically used in Google PageRank. The entire web can be thought of Markov model, where every web page can be a state and the links and references between the pages can be thought as transitions with probabilities. And it can also be used in typing word prediction. These are known to be used for predicting the upcoming words. They can be used in auto-completion and suggestions. Subreddit simulation. Surely you have come across the Reddit and it has interaction with one of their threads and subreddit. By making use of the Markov chain, the simulator produce word-to-word probabilities to create comments or the topics. It can also be used in text generator. These are the basically commonly used to generate dummy text or to produce large essays or compile speeches. So these are the applications of Markov chain. Now we will have a look at the notebook where I have done the coding for the Markov chain. So let's see. So this is a simple code of Markov chain starting from the first step, that is first import some of the libraries. We will import some libraries which are required for the process, that is NumPy, and we give a text, any random text we can give, and we print it to just check our statement. Now we will split the data into individual words. Now the entire statement is splitted in different words by using the split method. Now we are going to create pairs to keys and follow up the words. Now this pairing is basically done in order to save the memory space. As you can see, the pairing is done. Now we append the dictionary. We use So we are going to append the dictionary. This process, appending the dictionary, we use the append keyword and it appends the dictionary by the words. Now after the appending, we will do the building the Markov model. This is the main step. We use Markov chain and we use this method to build a model. Now after building the model, we will predict. Now prediction is done by following code, and this is the process of Markov chain. If you face any problem, contact me. Thank you.